Good morning students, welcome to the next lesson on the chapter rational numbers. In the last video we learnt about the properties of multiplication, where the closure property says that the product of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. The commutative property says the rational numbers can be multiplied in any order and the product will not change. And the associative property says that the rational numbers can be grouped in any order to find the product without changing the product. Now let's study the further properties of multiplication. Existence of multiplicative identity. Multiply 7 by 9 into 1. This is very easy. 7 by 9. Now multiply minus 8 by 11 into 1. This will also be minus 8 by 11. Here we saw that when 1 is multiplied to any rational number, the result is the rational number itself. Hence, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Thus, a by b into 1 is equal to 1 into a by b is equal to a by b, where a by b is the rational number. Multiplicative property of 0. As we all know, when 0 is multiplied to any number, the result is always 0. The same rule applies with rational numbers as well. In general form, a by b into 0 is equal to 0 into a by b is equal to 0. Here commutative property is used, where a by b is a rational number. Existence of multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of rational numbers is the reciprocal of the given rational numbers. That means the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. The multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 11 is 11 by 9 minus 9, and in standard form it is minus 11 by 9. Also keep in mind that the multiplicative inverse is not equal to the given rational number. In general form, the multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a, where a by b is a rational number. Also, the product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. A by b into b by a is equal to 1. Distributive property. Solve this. 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 9. You can use the BODMAS rule here. You have to first multiply 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 and 2 by 3 and 2 by 9. Find both the products and then add them. Solve this also. In this, bracket is there. So 2 by 3 into, in bracket, 5 by 6 plus 2 by 9. So you have to first add 5 by 6 and 2 by 9 and then multiply 2 by 3 to the sum. Do it quickly. Yes. In both the cases, the answer is 19 by 27. See what I did here. First, 2 by 3 was multiplied to both 5 by 6 and 2 by 9, and then both the products were added. And then what I did, then first 5 by 6 and 2 by 9 were added, and then 2 by 3 was multiplied to the sum. And in both the cases we got the same answer. Thus we can say multiplication of rational numbers is distributive. Distributive means whenever a rational number is multiplied to the sum or difference of any rational numbers, any two or more rational numbers, then that particular rational number which is being multiplied is multiplied to each of the numbers in the bracket. Okay? In general form, a by b into c by d plus e by f is equal to A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. Also, C by D minus E by F is equal to C by D plus minus E by F. So we can write this in this form also. A by B into the difference of C by D and E by F is equal to A by B into C by D minus A by B into E by F, where A by B, C by D and E by F are rational numbers. See, in the first case we say that rational numbers are, multiplication is distributive over addition, and in the second case multiplication is distributive over subtraction. Okay. In this video we learnt about the rest of the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. First was existence of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1, and whenever it is multiplied to any rational number, the product is the given rational number. Multiplicative property of 0, when 0 multiplied to any rational number, the product is always 0. Multiplicative inverse, it is the reciprocal of the rational numbers. The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator, and the product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Distributive property over addition. A by B into C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. Distributive property over subtraction. A by B into C by D minus E by F is equal to A by B into C by D minus A by B into E by F. Okay. So your assignment is to prove the following properties for the division of rational numbers: closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. We will discuss these properties in the next videos. You please do whatever you are told to do. Stay at home, be safe, have a good day.